The world premiere of the new E-Class All-Terrain took place at the 2023 IAA Mobility in Munich, marking the completion of the E-Class family. The vehicle is set to arrive in dealerships from the first quarter of 2024. In comparison to the conventional E-Class estate, the all-terrain model is only larger in terms of height, measuring a total of 4,950 mm in length and 1,904 mm in width. The standard tire size is 235/55 R18 on wheels measuring 8/x18, with optional wheels of up to 20 inches available. The new Mercedes-Benz E-Class All-Terrain boasts a width of 28 mm wider than the previous model, providing back seat passengers with 1,519 mm of elbow room. The wheelbase has also increased by 22 mm to 2,961 mm, creating more kneeroom and legroom in the back. The vehicle's load capacity ranges from 615 to 1,830 liters, 460 to 1,675 liters for the plug-in hybrid model, with the seat backs able to be folded down with a 40 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds split. The EasyPack tailgate is featured as standard, with a retractable luggage cover and dividing net also included. The front of the vehicle features a striking SUV-style, twin-louvre grille in iridium silver with a star integrated in the center and a Mercedes-Benz pattern. The side view is emphasized by distinctive dark gray wheel arch covers and high-gloss chrome sills, while the rear boasts a model-specific bumper with a simulated underride guard in high-gloss chrome and a robust load sill guard in a stainless steel look. The interior features AMG stainless steel sports pedals and floor mats with all-terrain logo. The vehicle is available in 3 drive concepts: diesel, petrol, and plug-in hybrid versions. The combustion models are powered by 4- and 6-cylinder engines from the Mercedes-Benz family of modular engines, FAME, with both the diesel and petrol variants being mild hybrids. The plug-in hybrid model has an electric output of 95 kilowatts, 129 horsepower, and an all-electric range of up to 100 kilometers, WLTP. The instrument panel defines the digital experience in the interior, with the MBUX superscreen extending to the central display if the vehicle is equipped with the optional front passenger screen. The central display appears to float above the concave surface of the large trim element extending to the center for models without a front passenger display. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.